Hello everyone, welcome to another Artsy studio vlog. I want to cut this down. I gave it like a whole extra day because I really layered on the glue. Like that is a good amount of glue. So anyway, we're going to cut this down now, and maybe I should go put that down. Actually, I think I'm going to go outside really quick. Be right back, and put the tarp down so that way when we cut this down I can just take it straight outside. Okay, I think we're ready. I somehow dragged a whole bunch of yarn, like strands of yarn, outside. Da, 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 da. Wow, you see nothing. I am so... I have to glue down the edges before I can take it outside. I also moved all of my tables, so I don't know how I forgot about this part of the whole process. Yeah, I moved all of my tables to the wall so that I could have the tufting frame in the middle. Anyways, so I was not prepared to need a table. But I found one, and it's over here in this corner. But now we do have to let the glue gun heat up. So, are there any other good post editing apps on your phone? Because I use Splice, and I love Splice for editing. But they have a captions option to load the captions within this app, so I don't have to do it on TikTok or on Instagram. Because personally, when I use the captions feature on Instagram, it makes the video less quality. It brings the quality, it makes it just slightly blurry, and the quality goes down when I add captions to the video. It's super dumb. So that's why I add captions before bringing it to the different social medias, so that it's just there for all posts, for everywhere that I post it. But lately, the captions have been taking an hour to load, and my post is a minute long. So, it's just not my favorite thing. So, if you have any good editing apps that you like, let me know what they are. If they have a caption option. All right, update on the whole captions app. I did find one. I found one that's literally called Captions. It basically generated the captions immediately. I don't know if you're interested in this. If you do social media in any way, if you have your own business. I feel like there are quite a few of you that have your own small business and stuff. So I'm assuming you may post on, social media and stuff. What I'm doing now is going to my subscriptions, because this app, this new captions app that I found, is a subscription app. It's fine. It's friggin' $10 a month, but Splice I'm paying $5 per week. So I'll be saving $10, right? And the renewal was this was all meant to be. I swear at some point we are going to get to gluing this. Hello everyone, it's the next day. I finished backing the cloud rug. Oh my god! First of all, very important update. Sean and I, half asleep after, a full day of work for him and me as well, we put up these, oh, I wish I could zoom you out more. Anyway, we put up these like bistro lights along the beam that's like going down the middle of the studio. Look how cute they are. They're awesome too because they're the same brand as the like a bar, these bar lights that I have. And so they connect to my phone via Bluetooth. So I can just come down and turn them on like with my phone. I love them already. I mean, it's, you know, it's day one, but they're great because they're plastic. They don't get hot because that was kind of a concern because I'm down here all day, every day. So I couldn't get something that was going to get hot. I feel like a lot of like Edison bulb type lights get hot. These, I'm literally feeling it. It's like cool. It's just normal. They're plastic, so that means they're not going to shatter. I feel like this sounds like a commercial, but I do really love like the way that this brand is. It's kind of like a more affordable version of those like really fancy lights that people put like behind their TV to like make their TV glow the same color that's on the TV. This brand is just, I really like them. The brand is Govee, I think, in case you are wondering. And I will link them in my Amazon storefront. I know that's super annoying, but it, you know, it is there. Anyway, okay. So I finished backing the cloud rug. It is so cute. It's so freaking cute. I started kind of like seeing how carving one of the clouds was going to be because I was kind of like paralyzed with it because I wasn't sure how to carve it. So this is what the clouds look like when they're, you know, like just tufted. They're very like kind of crazy, and then there's this bigger one as well. It's crazy. It's not like perfect. So I was kind of just like zoning out and trying to figure it out. Look at this perfect cloud. Look at this perfect puff of cloud. It like, look at the difference. This one, how crazy it looks, and then this is after carving it. Anyway, I'm just like really happy with how my first class, look how different they are. I've got my camera set up and I'm going to film a post video for carving out the clouds. Anyway, I'm gonna get started on filming this post. Alright, last cloud I thought that I would just do with you guys. So what I do is I kind of fluff it around like this to get all these like loose, you know, fibers out. And then I'll go around and kind of like, you know, loosely level things. The reason I'm not using the like carpet carver or anything like that is because I am afraid to go too low. Like I want to keep its height and its fluff. So then once I'm done that, I'll kind of go around and just start to find its shape and trim, you know, the stragglers. I mean, like you push it down, like kind of like swipe it down, and you can see all of that. So I'm gonna cut all that off. Y'all, I was talking to you and you weren't even listening. No, I ran out of space on my camera. Let me find a different section to show you. I don't even know what you didn't see. All I was saying was that I flip it all different angles and I try to find the really tall pieces and cut them. And then I also will swipe down and then kind of like angle my scissors, like tuck them under and angle them like this so that I can kind of like round out the bottom as well. so that it kind of does this and it looks like it's coming off the rug. Alright, and then once I'm happy with that, or once I feel like moving on, I will sort of start to follow the shape of the cloud and then cut inward where there's like, you know, a puff. Cut sort of into the cloud, obviously not that far. And then I follow the shape of the other puff that's like, you know, on the other side, so that I create this sort of like corner where the clouds are doing their puff thing, okay? This is correct terminology. So I'll do the same for this one. Follow the shape in like that, and then follow the shape of the other puff that it is touching, and just create this nice little poof. Like, look at all this now. It actually has shape. I could left it. I could have left it, but I feel like this is really cute too. Wow, these are some cute, puffy cloud. Oh my god, look how perfect they are. They're so cute. They're so different from how they started. Oh my god. Hey, hi. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. I fell behind last week. I don't even know why. I was just like, Thursday is usually like my Friday, I guess. I was just tired and I just couldn't make myself do anything. Anyway, what I did do was I finished the cloud rug. Well, I finished like carving it. It's done. This is the finale of the cloud rug, and I could not be any happier. This is so cute. Do you see how, like, let me try to like use the shadows to like show you how 3D they are. They're so perfect. They're so perfect. Do you remember what this looked like before I carved the clouds? They were so stringy and like wild and crazy. I was a little nervous to like get to carving the clouds because they were so crazy looking, and I was like, crap, did I not think this through? Like, how am I going to find the shape? Or like, how am I going to find the shape that it was supposed to be? And I technically, in some spots, I don't know that I like did the shape that I drew it as, but it came out perfect. Perfect. It came out so cute. I love the sparkles. I think this is the cutest rug. Now, I feel like people are gonna maybe be like, you could trip on that. Like, it does come up like really far. And to that I might say, don't get it. I didn't mean that in such a sassy way that it sounded. I just mean, like, maybe this could be, I was telling Sean this, like, maybe this could be, like, I don't know, if you, like to read books on the floor, you could, like, lay your head on the clouds and, like, you know, you'll be, like, reading in the cloud. I don't know. I feel like somebody out there could definitely appreciate the clouds, and like they're definitely puffy enough where you could like lay on it and it would probably be really comfy. I'm jazzed about the clouds. I can't remember if you saw where we were at with the Monstera rug, but this is where we're at. You probably can't see, but I did start to do tan color, the cookie color. That's going to be the background for the Monstera. Y'all, this blue like really turned out good. It's so pretty. Yeah, I have to put my head down and I want to tuft the entire background today. But I think I'm going to end this studio vlog here because you were supposed to see this last Thursday, and that's what I mean. I dropped the ball last Thursday. I'm sorry about it, but thank you so much for watching this studio vlog. I will bring you back in the next one to see this finished. And then we're going to move on to the pink one. I'm so excited for the pink one and the black. What if I did a fall leaf one? That could be so cute. Oranges and reds, colors I'd never use. I might draw that up. I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this studio vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a like. Make sure you give this video a like. Leave me a comment down below. It really helps me out. You can follow me in all of these places. It is at Artsymadwoman besides Tumblr and Twitch, which is the Artsymadwoman. All the links to everything that I can link to you are linked in the one link to rule them all. How many times did I just say link? Including the tufting machine that I just recently got from All Things Effie. I also have a discount code if you want to use it. You don't have to. Anyway, yeah, the one link to rule them all is down in the description. I love you guys to absolute death, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. I've been doing this for like 3 years and I can't remember.